Welcome friends to my channel Messing with Plants. Do subscribe this channel to know the mesmerizing facts about plants. Today I am here to prepare a terrarium. Terrarium is basically a glass jar containing soil and plants. This can be used as a decorative item at our homes. As it is very difficult to find out things outside due to lockdown, I have named it as Lockdown Terrarium because I'll be preparing a terrarium here using the items which are easily available at home. I am using a glass jar which I have rinsed it using a hot water with detergent. Make sure the jar which you are using is very clean. And then comes in the soil. Here I am using the normal garden soil. I'll be also using gravel. You can also use pebbles if you have. I'll be using gravel of two sizes, one of the larger and the other one of the smaller size. Then comes in the charcoal. I didn't find much charcoal at my home, but if you have, please go ahead with the larger quantity. The plants I'll be fixing in this terrarium are cactus and the succulents. Why? Because these require very less water and low maintenance. Friends, if you want me to post a video on what all plants can be fixed in a terrarium and how to maintain and nurture them, do comment below and let me know if I have to post a video. So I have taken two types of succulents and one cactus. Let's see which will fix. And a scissor, mesh which is easily available at home. Again, it's an optional. This basically depends on the size of the sand. If your sand is very fine, then you have to go with the mesh. If not, you can avoid mesh. The sand which I have taken today is very fine, so I have taken a mesh along with that, a forceps which I have picked it from a dissection box, and a spray bottle, normal bottle, which I will be using it for watering. Let's begin and prepare Lockdown Terrarium. So I have taken a glass jar, again cleaned it with hot water and detergent washed. Now the first layer which goes into this glass jar will be of the gravel. Place it smoothly. Place a layer of gravel at the bottom of the glass so that this helps in the easy drainage. As in the pots, the normal pots in which we plant will be having a small hole at their base which helps them for the easy drainage. But as for the terrariums, we'll be using a glass jar and it is impossible to prick a hole, or it will be very difficult to place a hole at the base. That's the reason we'll be using a layer of gravel or a pebble if you find pebbles around you. Place a uniform layer, and you can ask me why am I using two types of gravel? Just because to give it a uniform layering. You can see I have put 1 inch of gravels Then comes in the charcoal. Charcoal is again for the easy drainage, and also charcoal acts as an adsorbent. I didn't find much. If you have, please place 1 inch of charcoal on top of the gravel or pebbles if you have. As I told you, the sand which I am using here is not very large, is not of the larger size. It is very fine. So I'll be using a mesh so that it doesn't pass through the bottom layers. It basically prevents passage of the sand and avoids mixing it to the different layers. Now I am placing a mesh. Give it a proper shape as that of your jar. And then place it. Here comes in the sand. Place a layer of sand above the mesh. Again, a layer of soil. A layer of sand again. Look at those layers. Repeat this process of soil, sand. If you have pebbles, you can also form a layers of pebble and soil. Here I am selecting a succulent to place it in my terrarium. I have picked it from my garden. You can go with your choice. If you want to plant a cactus, it is always your choice. So I am trying to fix a succulent. If you feel that the leaves are occupying more space, take them off, and don't worry friends, you can propagate these leaves and plant a succulent again. If you feel you need more soil, place it some and fix the succulent firmly. Now I'll be fixing a pebble, a white stone, just to add beauty to the terrarium. Clean the excess oil using brush. water it. Basically, I have taken a spray bottle with a small hole pierced, which helps in drizzling. As I told you, it requires very less amount of water. I have also done one more terrarium at my home in the glass, and I have placed some toys onto it. You can add your own creativity, place some cartoons, toys, stones, pebbles. It is all left to you. Desert terrarium is ready. Just to inform you guys, this is a desert terrarium which I have made today. What exactly that means is you will be adding an extra look of sand so that it attains the feel of desert. There are different kinds of terrarium. I have one more terrarium, if you can see. I have planted a cactus in that, and here is with the succulent today. Now to get the feel, the look of the desert, I am adding some amount of sand onto it. I have got some marbles in my store, so I'm using marbles for decoration. If you have pebbles, you can also use pebbles. This actually adds beauty to your terrarium. Wow, look at that, friends. How beautiful, how clumsy it is. So the lockdown terrarium is ready. Look at those beautiful layers. Terrarium is like an aquarium, but for plants instead of fishes. Do follow us on Instagram at Messing with Plants. Guys, do like, share and subscribe to my video. Do drop and comment if you have any queries, any questions regarding this video. Thank you for watching.